Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ClickUp account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Zoom account to your ClickUp account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Zoom account to your ClickUp account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that time can be kind of short, and by linking your Zoom account to your ClickUp account, you can easily initiate Zoom calls right from your ClickUp account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ClickUp account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ClickUp account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Zoom account to your ClickUp, you're going to need to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to look for this button here called App Center. All right, so now you're going to see all of the apps that you can add into your ClickUp account. But to get to Zoom, you want to click on communication here on the left. If you don't see that for some reason, just go ahead and click on the search bar here and just type in Zoom. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this connect button next to the Zoom logo, and that is how you can connect your Zoom. Now just note that if you are connecting your Zoom to your account, if other users are in their ClickUp, they're going to need to connect their Zoom accounts in their profile, their separate account, in order to get these features. Okay, so next you're going to click on connect. All right, once you do that, the Zoom logo is going to pop up. So you need to enter in your email address and your password that's associated with your Zoom. So I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, next Zoom sent me a passcode to verify that it's me that's trying to connect my Zoom to this ClickUp account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that code in here. Okay, I entered in the code. I'm going to click on verify. Okay, next I get a warning from Zoom saying that I'm about to connect my ClickUp account to Zoom. If you're okay with that, click on this blue connect button here at the bottom. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my Zoom account is connected to my ClickUp. You can see it changed to disconnect right here. So now I can go ahead and start Zoom meetings directly from my ClickUp account. I can also join meetings, and also I can view recording directly inside of my tasks. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect or link your Zoom account to your ClickUp account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.